Hello, my name's Liam and I work for Theraposture, and we provide Age UK adjustable beds just like this one. We have quite a range to offer you, but this particular bed is called the Sandringham and it's a very popular model. Now, it's made from wood, but it's not any old wood, it's oak, and it's solid oak. And it's beautifully finished in a clear lacquer, so you see the wood in its full glory. The bed's profiling, which means you can adjust your position. You have a button for sitting yourself up, you have a button for raising your legs, and you can get yourself into any position that suits you, hopefully so you can sleep better and achieve more the following day. The profiling can also help in other ways. For example, by sitting yourself up, you get yourself to a position where it's so much easier to get out of bed. Let me show you how. So from here, all I need to do is just twist, and I'm sitting on the edge of the bed ready to stand. All Theraposture beds come with a 14-day satisfaction guarantee. You only need to pay a £100 deposit, that's all, no more. They're individually specified, they're handcrafted, they're provided by Theraposture, which is a name to trust. These mattresses are absolutely excellent, they are really good quality. Basically, this overall represents fantastic peace of mind and value. And we'd like to think that there's a bed for you. Please call us, talk to Theraposture who provide Age UK adjustable beds. There's a bed for you. Thank you.